Hi, our friends at Viconer sent us this nice red light therapy kit. Red light therapy has been used, and there's a lot of research about it for many benefits, especially during the COVID times. There was a lot of use of red light therapy because it reduces inflammation. Inflammation sometimes is good, but generally speaking, you don't want to have too much inflammation in your body. So I'm gonna show you what comes in the box, right? And while I'm talking about the benefits of inflammation and the benefits of having this to prevent inflammation, because some inflammation can be good. It's the signal of the body telling you that there's something wrong. But if you follow what your body's telling you, then you can take care of your body, and that's where these come in. You see? Now, these are velcro, and they have a bunch of LED, light emitting diodes in there, right? And they are near infrared, which means that near infrared, there's red light therapy, and then there's near infrared red light therapy. And near infrared penetrates deeper into the body past the subcutaneous layer of your skin. So it goes past the subcutaneous. The subcutaneous is basically, you got the dermis, epidermis, and then you have subcutaneous, and then the muscle. And when with near infrared NIR, near infrared light therapy, it goes into the joints, right? So when you have aching feet from whatever, like say you're an athlete and you have aching feet, and the tendons in your ankles or your elbow, because you can wear this, of course, in the ankle, that's what it's meant for, but you could also put it in your elbow, you see? So you put it like there, right? You velcro it right there, and then you could put, you could give yourself some therapy. And with near infrared light, the red light penetrates deep into the joints, and thus it improves, or it helps you with the mitochondrial health of the cells or the enzymes inside that joint, inside that area. Now, it comes with two of these, so one for each foot. You're going to connect it with the power supply. It comes with the power supply, real nice. We're gonna put this together so you can see it. It comes with the power supply, right? You see, the power supply has two outputs. It's 12 volts, I'm gonna say. It should be, right? And so I use red light therapy in the gym. So, but it's general red light therapy, and with the red light therapy, it tells you that it's going to improve the quality of your skin, But this is like general red light. It's not near infrared light, which penetrates much deeper into your body, which is what you really want. Now, it comes with two different sets of cables, because you can either use it with the power supply that I showed you, or you can use it with a battery pack that in this set it's not included. It's not included in this battery pack. So you can use this for your battery pack, right? So it's portable, right? But in this case, you would need to get the battery pack. And you see, this has right there in the side, it has a really nice plug, and you're gonna plug in there. These controllers regulate the strength that you want in your therapy, right? Now I'm gonna turn one on, right? So that you see the red light therapy working. Right? And you see, with the controller, you can say how long you want the therapy and the intensity of it, right? So let's turn this on all the way, because I want you to see how the diodes look in there. You see? So the light emitting diodes are emitting that 850 plus mm of red light therapy in there. You see? You put your foot in there, or whatever joint you want to put in there, and that, because it's past 800, because 800 is the limit for regular level LED light, from 800 and up, it penetrates the subcutaneous layer, and that's why this is going to be more effective, generally speaking, than just red light therapy. Though any red light therapy is good. Any red light therapy that you do is going to be beneficial for you, but the higher the 850 to 1000 to 2000 range is the one that penetrates deep into your joints, into your ankle, like into the bone, into those tendons in your ankles or your joints in the elbow. So, and you have two of these. I wanted you to see how well made it is. It's really, really thick, right? So really, really sturdy, and this is going to last you for a long time and provide you, hopefully, that relief that you're hoping for, right? Of course, results vary, but you need to try it, right? First, you need to try it to see if it's going to work, and hopefully it works for you. It has great reviews, and it comes with the controller, like I told you, right there. Everything's taken care of and well made, really, really beautifully, right? It comes with the cables that you need, and it's two of them, so you can sit down, watch the game, and do yourself a favor. And it has extra straps so that you can velcro them really nice in there, right? So you sit down for a while, right? And while you're watching TV or watching YouTube videos or relaxing, you can put your foot in there, and you're gonna have a really, really nice experience. It's gonna warm it's gonna warm your feet. Your feet are gonna feel warm. And this LED light is really, especially near LED light, is better if you do it directly to the skin. So if you have another fabric between your skin and the light, the conduction is not going to be the best. So make sure that you put your bare skin in there, and put it in there. Give yourself 20 minutes of red light therapy right there, either in your ankle, right? I'm showing it with my hand right now, right? But or in your elbow, if you have like me, that I had a fracture in the elbow, and this would have been great if this existed when I had that fracture, right? So this is a revolutionary technology that's not new, and there's a lot of research on it. So just look up the research and try it, so that you can also receive the benefits of red light therapy. Super, super recommended, and I want to thank the guys at Viconer for sending this to me. I will be using this a lot after a really long night.